relapse rate is so high, and it's because of all stuff like this.
We want to talk about the sale of cocaine kits openly on sale in Dublin's north inner city.
One of our biggest problems in Ireland really at the moment is the extent of our drug use. If you make something seem accessible, it makes it more approachable for young people to go in and do it. They will do it. When you look at the price of it, I have to laugh really, because you'd actually have to be on drugs to pay €18 for that. A small mirror and a blade. I wonder would they sell tissues for the amount of cocaine users that I have who've come to me who are having nosebleeds where the soft tissue is disintegrating in their nose.
These are people that have businesses and they're selling this stuff knowing that the addicts are out there willing to pay for it and are disguising it as a snuff kit. It should be taken off the market. It's also triggering as well the people in recovery. The relapse rate is so high, and it's because of all stuff like this.
I was brought up with addiction in my own family, and I know how it can be like a grenade and tear everything apart. So I spent 20 years to try and educate people, prevent people, provide rehabilitation, etc. It really, really is troubling when you see the sale of paraphernalia for cocaine. I know if people are pulled up, for example, with opium pipes or tinfoil or something in their pocket, the guards can press charges. So I don't understand how in the area of cocaine the same laws cannot apply.